I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a garbanzo and feta salad. Now, garbanzo beans and feta cheese are two ingredients that you use a lot in Mediterranean food, and they go beautifully together. I'm going to dress them really simply with some other flavors that you use traditionally in Mediterranean food, some parsley, some mint, and some lemon juice, and olive oil, of course. So here are the garbanzo beans. You can use canned garbanzo beans. I soaked these overnight and then cooked them for about an hour and a half. Here's some crumbled feta cheese, and you really don't need much because it's got some pretty intense flavor. A little bit goes a long way. Here is some chopped fresh parsley, chopped green onion, and some fresh mint, spearmint. Olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and black pepper. And there you have a garbanzo and feta salad.